James Miller from Cambridge Park, Sydney, Australia.
And what is this truck?
1964 B model Mack.
What does it have for power?
A 711 Mack motor, quad box with a Mack diff.
And I know that this is a special truck with a story.
Yes, my dad bought this truck in 1969 from Mack Trucks in Sydney, and he ran it up and down the east coast of Australia for about 5 years, and then sold it to a mate of his who ran it for another 4 years up in the Blue Mountains carrying coal, and then it was parked in a shed in 1981, I think it was, and that's where it sat until 2010 when the fellow passed away, and we got it back from the estate.
From, like, he left it to you?
No, we bought it back.
Bought
it back from the estate, and it was totally run down, sitting in the shed, and we brought it back and restored it to this, back to how it is now.
Is this how it was when your dad drove it? Or?
Yeah, this was the colour. It wasn't pinstripe, but it was this colour, and this is how it was. It hasn't changed really much.
So was that a factory color?
No, it's a Chrysler colour that he painted it. It was yellow when he bought it, apparently, a yellow mustardy colour.
Well, there's a yellow one over there. Maybe it's sort of like that.
Yeah. And so we got it back and spent it 2 years. We sort of restored it back to how it is now, yeah.
Did you do the work yourself?
I did. I painted it. I done everything. It was all done in our in his shed at home.
And I assume it lives in a shed now?
Yes, it does. Lives in a shed. Yes. We've got a couple other old trucks that we got. This is his second truck ever owned. We got his first one, which was a 50s model Dodge. Was here earlier, but he left.
And it was actually his truck?
Yes, and we got it back.
Wow.
And I've got a 68 R model Mack that I'm restoring. And at the moment.
You're pretty lucky to have found or kept track of both of them.
Yeah, yes, we have kept track of both of them. So, we.
Are you a truck driver?
Yes, I own a driver. Right up and down the East Coast. I just bought a new Mack Superliner about 6 months ago.
Max, all
yeah,
the way?
Yeah.
Because that's what Dad had, or
what?
what?
That's just the way the last one just happened to turn out that way. But yeah. But we've got plenty of photos of this thing when he used to run it up from Sydney to Brisbane, Sydney to Melbourne.
Does it have the original engine?
Yes, original engine, original transmission, original diff.
Tell me again what the transmission is?
Quad box.
And
a 5 and a 4.
Did you have any previous experience driving one of those?
No, Dad taught me how to drive this.
After you got it back?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. He's taught me to drive it, yeah. And very different to drive, yes.
Pretty good at it now? Passable?
Very.
Well, I assume you've got to take it out relatively
Yeah.
You got to practice.
You got to practice. We don't get it out too often, but yeah.
You've got a chart up there, but that can only help so much.
Oh, yeah, It's very easy to get mixed up in there, but yeah.
That's got to be a rough rider.
Oh, yeah, and very hot in the summer.
How fast does it go?
Oh, probably does.
Can you go highway speeds?
Yeah, it does probably about 90 kilometres an hour, roughly. Well, that's what we normally just drive it at anyway.
How long has it been since it was the restoration was
about
finished?
12 years, 13 years probably, yeah.
And it had painted wheels?
We just put the chrome ones on it, but it's always had painted wheels on it, yeah. And no mud guards, we just put them on to stop the rocks from chipping the paint. I have got plenty of photos of it when it was on the road.
You'll have to send me some, we can include them in here.
Yeah. Photos of when I was putting it back together after we stripped it down. It was stripped down, just left the cab on it, but everything else come off.
Do you have other experience with restorations?
Nope.
This was it?
Thought we'd have a go.
What about painting? Had you painted them before?
Nope.
Learning as you go.
Learning as I go. A few mistakes, but it's good enough for now.
So your dad had it when it was yellow when he got it?
Yeah.
And did he paint it this color? He chose the
he
color?
He painted it, yes. I do believe it was painted by hand, like with a paintbrush or whatever he had it back then, whatever was available. Do you want me to move that bag over there?
If you want to grab it, sure. So when it became available again,
yes.
Did he know that it was available?
Yes.
It's like, get it.
We were up, because he was helping some friends restore something else in the shed where it was sitting. And I used to go up there and I was like, we're going to need to get this back. And eventually it happened.
Is that the original steering wheel?
Yes.
Has it been restored
No.
too?
That's the original. That's
Wow.
the only thing that got redone was the seats, and that's it. And I repainted the green, but other than that, everything in there is. I think there's one gauge that's not original. I think it's the water temperature gauge.
I see that, but whatever.
It's the only one that's not original.
Well, I think this is my second time saying today that I think Australia just must be a little bit nicer to trucks.
Yeah,
You
well,
don't have salt on the road and
yeah, this was pretty rough. If I'm sending you some photos of when we, in the shed where it was covered. Like the bonnet was stacked as high as the roof, just with stuff, and you could barely see it.
there weren't spiders in it, were there?
Oh, there probably was, yeah.
We don't talk about that. So how often do you get to take it out?
Oh, yeah, probably once a month or so. Because I'm busy driving, I don't get to drive it very often.
But you've got to, so you remember
yeah,
how.
Yeah, that's it. Dad drives it a bit.
How many shows do you take it to?
As many as we can, many shows we can get to, yeah. I've been busy driving, yeah.
Well, that
full-time
color
driving.
sure stands out.
Yeah, it's different. It's not 100% perfect, but it's all right.
Are you happy with that?
Yes, are you happy with that?
I'm happy with that.
Good to meet you. I just
You
wish I
too.
wish you was here with the original truck.